Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching the News Hour Special Edition. It has been 33 days since Pahalgam massacre and 18 days since Operation Sindoor. Today, we are talking about the two faces of Congress party that these developments have now exposed. The two models that its leaders seem to be following. The sharp contrast that is visible in the statements being made by some in the party ranks, led by none other than Rahul Gandhi himself on one side. From mocking External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar to doubting the government's version of Op Sindoor chronology, leader of opposition has been busy looking for loopholes in India's military action against Pakistan. On the other side are its own party leaders in delegations that are on a global mission to expose Pakistan and its nefarious agenda. Whether it is Shashi Tharoor or Salman Khurshid or Manish Tiwari, these foreign policy veterans have all done a brilliant job of busting terroristan's nefarious agenda on a world platform. All this while speaking in one voice, the voice of India.
I don't work for the government. As you know, I work for an opposition party. But I myself authored an op-ed in one of India's leading papers, the Indian Express, within a couple of days, saying the time had come to hit hard but hit smart. And I'm pleased to say that's exactly what India did. Very precise and calibrated strikes took place on 9 specific known terrorist bases, headquarters and launch pads.
I genuinely hope that we will. One important message that's coming across here is that we come from different political parties. We fight vigorously at home, but when it comes to India and it comes to India's very, very critical message about fighting terrorism, which threatens the world, not just India alone, that we all appear here together. And I think that's greatly appreciated, and hopefully this will be so as we go from one country to another.
Meanwhile, back home, such is the seriousness with which Congress spokespersons are dealing with the aftermath of Pahalgam horror that they can't even remember the name of India's strike operation on Pakistan. All India Mahila Congress President Alka Lamba, while addressing media today, referred to Operation Sindoor as, believe it or not, Operation Blue Star.
एक सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाइए और उसकी अध्यक्षता आप करिए। हम मांग करते हैं कि ये समय की मांग है, जरूरत है कि संसद के दोनों सत्रों को शीघ्र बुलाकर ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार पर पूरी व्यापक देश को जानकारी सरकार के द्वारा दी जाए।
All right, joining me now on the broadcast is Shehzad Poonawalla, BJP's national spokesperson, Deepak Reddy, who's TDP's national spokesperson, is also with us, Advocate Nikhil Jain, political analyst, is joining us, Vivek Salas, Samajwadi Party's national spokesperson, welcome sir to the broadcast, and Dr. Shelly Oberoi, Aam Aadmi Party's spokesperson, is also on the broadcast. I would like to start with Nikhil Jain. How do you explain what Alka Lamba said today? The only thing that the whole country has been talking about is Operation Sindoor. Eons have been written about what it signifies, and your party spokesperson can't even remember the name of that operation.
Come on, Priya, I think that's being very unfair to Ms. Lamba. It was a very clear slip of tongue, and I don't even understand why the BJP has to politicize it. Actually, I do, because what they want is they want to deviate from the important questions being asked by the opposition, by Rahul Gandhi, by Congress, about the equipment losses that we've suffered, about how Donald Trump was allowed to intervene, about how Donald Trump, the President of the United States, is going around the world and telling the world that as if he played a big daddy role between the mediation that happened in India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan are being hyphenated again. Kashmir is becoming an international issue again, and all of that is the drastic failure of this government's failed foreign policy.
But sir, when you're asking serious questions like that, if you can't even remember the issue that you're talking about, does it not show that you're focusing on finding faults more than you're focusing on the actual operation?
No, not at all, Priya. I think that is what the BJP is doing right now, that they are trying to use a slip of tongue to claim that Alka Lamba does not even remember what she's talking about. That's very absurd, to say the very least, because in that very press conference, in that very line of statement, she did correct herself. It's a slip of tongue. It happens with everybody. It happens with the Prime Minister. It happens with Rahul Gandhi. It happens with you and me. And that's perfectly fine. Why are we talking about it instead of the important questions of national security and India's foreign policy? I think that is what needs to be discussed.
Shehzad, slip of tongue, slip of mindset.
You see, this is slip of character. Because if you call Operation Sindoor as Operation Blue Star, Operation Sindoor छुटपुट था, ये भी slip of tongue ही रहा होगा. थोड़ी सी एक्टिविटी गुलाम मीर ने कहा, ये भी slip of tongue रहा ही होगा. सड़क का गुंडा, सेना का प्रमुख, ये भी slip of tongue ही रहा होगा. सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, खून की दलाली, slip of tongue. प्रिया जी, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक में चील कौवे मरे, slip of tongue. Kargil war should not be celebrated for 5 years between 2004 to 2009 because it's a BJP war. Slip of tongue है जी ये. Slip of tongue तो ये भी है कि जिस प्रकार से रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने blame हिंदुत्व, gave Pakistan a clean sheet. Manjunath, your Karnataka MLA, says कि Operation Sindoor was a show off. Vijay Wadattiwar, who has now become expert. Last time he was expert in COVID vaccine. This time he's expert in drones. ड्रोन 15,000 का था, हमने 15 लाख का मिसाइल छोड़ा. गोल्डन टेम्पल पर बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल छोड़ना इज छुटपुट फॉर देम. एंड टू काउंटर दैट वी हैव टू नाउ टेक अ कैलकुलेटर. आर्म फोर्सेस विल टेक कैलकुलेटर एंड कैलकुलेट. अच्छा 15,000 का ड्रोन आ रहा है, कितने हजार का भेजना है मिसाइल. एनीवेज, देन आफ्टर दैट आम आदमी पार्टी, क्योंकि वो भी है यहाँ पे, पाकिस्तान ने हाथ जोड़े, इनका प्रूफ कहाँ पे है? दे हैव नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. ये भी स्लिप ऑफ टंग है. संतोष लाड, व्हाई आर यू स्टॉपिंग IWT? ये भी स्लिप ऑफ टंग है. लेफ्ट डिड अ प्रोटेस्ट दैट डोंट स्टॉप द IWT. ये भी स्लिप ऑफ टंग है. सैफुद्दीन सोसाइटी, पाकिस्तान से बातचीत कर लो, स्लिप ऑफ टंग है. या तारिक कर्रा बोल रहे हैं पाकिस्तान तो अच्छा है, उनसे बातचीत कर लो, ये स्लिप ऑफ टंग है. सिद्धरामैया जी ने बोला युद्ध नहीं करना है, स्लिप ऑफ टंग. कितने स्लिप ऑफ टंग होते हैं आपके दिन में? ये स्लिप ऑफ टंग की कोई सीमा है या नहीं है? अच्छा चलिए मैं आपको 3 उदाहरण देता हूं. निखिल जी, मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला. सर, आई हैव नॉट इंटरप्टेड यू, प्लीज कीप योर पेशेंस. 3 थिंग्स वेदर यू कैन टेल मी स्लिप ऑफ टंग. 1965 वॉर वी वन, नो, कोई डाउट तो नहीं है पाकिस्तान पगलूस को. ओके. 1968 वी गेव 868 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स अवे टू पाकिस्तान. व्हाई? स्लिप ऑफ टंग था क्या? अच्छा. 1971 we won. 1974 we became nuclear power. Srimati Indira Gandhi was ready to give our nuke technology. It is in parliament session, the entire brief to Pakistan. ये slip of tongue था. अरे सुन लो भाई, सुन लो, कान खोल के सुन लो. And this is the cake, icing on the cake. 1991, obviously it was Chandrasekhar's government supported by you, but then you withdrew the support. But 1991, agreement on advance notice of military exercises, maneuvers and troop movements, which was ratified in 1994 by whom? Slip of tongue Congress. ये कितना स्लिप होते हैं? ये कौन सा टेरिटरी है? इतना स्मूथ टेरिटरी की स्लिप होते जा रहे हैं. ये this is what is this? This is not slip of tongue, this is slip of character. Now give me the answer on these 3 points. Indira ji was offering nuke technology. You signed this and ratified this deal to give Pakistan information 1994 and 868 square kilometers.
Nikhil, it's just because of the past track record that makes it very difficult for people to believe the genuineness of criticism that the Congress has to offer.
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
I'm saying that it is...
I'm not getting any audio.
Your Pakistan love will not break.
No, let me...
Pakistan love should break.
No, let's...
Congress and Pakistan's relationship should break. Situation.
We'll try and fix that. We'll try and fix that.
Listen, he's smiling at my jokes.
Sometimes
Congress and Pakistan ka situation todo.
Sometimes on a...
Nikhil, I'll repeat my question for you. My question for you is, it is because there have been a series of incidents where Congress doesn't seem to be taking national security seriously, which is why it becomes very difficult now to believe when you say that a spokesperson of All India Mahila Congress, not a small leader, it is a planned press conference, she must have come with her papers in place, can't even get the name right, and which is why it is becoming more and more difficult to give her the benefit of doubt. Because Congress has been non-serious through and through.
Priya, had she not corrected her... No. Priya, had she not corrected herself, I would have agreed with what you're saying. But she did. It was a slip of tongue. Now, if the BJP or somebody else wants to say it in any other manner, there's not much I can do about it. But Shehzad raised 2 or 3 very important questions, and let me answer on that. He talks about 1974. Indira Gandhi was willing to share our nuclear technology with Pakistan. That's an absolute lie. It was a statement in the parliament by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, who had said that I communicated to the Prime Minister of Pakistan in as many words that we will share this nuclear technology with any country in the world that wants to, and that was in the context that we were claiming to the world that we have not carried out these nuclear tests in order to test a nuclear bomb, but we were doing it for energy generation. And no,
You wanted to
Shehzad,
give our nuclear technology to Pakistan.
You can't interject in the middle. You can't interject
But
in
don't
the
lie.
middle.
It's in
Priya, can you
Parliament.
please stop
I
him from
quote the
interjecting?
date. 22nd July
No,
1974.
I am not lying. Your party is the one that's lying.
267.
Shehzad, your party is the one that's lying. 1974,
Has she
no
named
nuclear
Pakistan
technology
to give our
developed by
nuclear
India was
technology, yes
ever
or no?
shared to Pakistan. And the way you are putting it, that is not how it was.
Okay,
Indira
explain
Gandhi
how
made
it
it
was.
very, very clear that we are willing
Explain.
to share the nuclear technology
Why?
that we have developed with the world.
With
in
Pakistan.
the context that the government of India
You
at
want
that
to
point
share our
of
nuclear
time
technology
was
with
telling
Pakistan.
What is wrong with you, Shehzad?
Why?
What is wrong with you? How many times will you interject here?
But why
How
you
many
want to
times
share
you plan
nuclear
to
technology
interject?
with
Because
Pakistan?
नहीं, पार्टी दफ्तर पे जाके डांट पड़ेगी कि सच कैसे बोलने दिया.
अरे
पार्टी
निखिल जी
दफ्तर पे
मेरी
डांट
डांट
पड़ेगी
की
कि
छोड़
सच
दो
कैसे
आपकी
बोलने दिया. Would
ये
you
जो
let me
ये
make my
आप
point?
इंदिरा जी क्यों शेयर करना
See,
चाह
it was
रही थी
in the
बताइए.
context. Priya, you'll have to stop him or lower his faders. That is not how a debate can
Lower
go.
my fader,
No,
but
no, no.
don't lower
He's
India's
not yelling or
nuclear
interjecting,
tech.
man. Sometimes
Don't
Shehzad,
give it
with
to
you,
the
I feel like I'm
Pakistanis.
debating with a high school
Conceded. Let me
likes to take
move
brownie
on
points
from
at the
what could be a
slightest
slip of tongue,
who
because
wants to
there
interject
is
at
still
every
scope.
single word. And on the
Okay,
94
now
agreement, on
when
the
Rahul
94
Gandhi
agreement,
makes
on the 94
comments
agreement,
like
and
will
on the
JJ
99
answer
agreement,
questions,
Priya,
whether
20
external
seconds
affairs
on the
minister is an
on the-
informant, at the same time same leaders from his party who were not even recommended by the party for delegation speak as responsibly as Salman Khurshid, Manish Tiwari and Shashi Tharoor have been doing, and one after the other they make points that are in contradiction to what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Is that also a slip of tongue?
Priya, is that to me?
Nikhil?
आवाज
Priya, is that question to me?
Okay, we'll try and fix Nikhil's audio, but let me get our other guests in as well. Vivek Salas, how much do you believe in Congress's theory of slip of tongue? And where all does it apply? Does it apply to Shashi Tharoor? Does it apply to Salman Khurshid? Or does it apply to Rahul Gandhi?
No, as far as slip of tongue is concerned, you know, what Shehzad said right now, it's not a slip of tongue, it is a slip of character. That is what you said. Definitely, it is a slip of character by the Bharatiya Janata Party when the Bharatiya Janata Party and the ministers call, Colonel Qureshi आतंकवादियों की बहन. So is it free for the Bharatiya Janata Party to call the Indian army as terrorist? Secondly, you manage. आतंकवादियों को बहन का क्या मतलब? आतंकवादियों को बहन मतलब वही.
free for anybody.
When
That is
you say,
absolutely despicable.
Priya ji, once, just a minute. When the Bharatiya Janata Party Deputy CM says in Madhya Pradesh that पूरी देश की जनता, पूरी सेना मोदी जी की चरणों में नतमस्तक है, what do you call about that? And see the Rajya Sabha member of Parliament from Haryana, Ramchandra Jakhla, something like that.
Yes.
He said कि वहां पर अगर हमारी बेटियों ने हिम्मत दिखाई होती, वो वीरांगना होती हैं, तो वो इस तरह की घटना नहीं होती, वो लड़ जाती. आप क्या बताना चाहते हैं कि हमारे देश की जो लड़कियां हैं, हमारी जो महिलाएं हैं, क्या वो दमदार नहीं है? अरे इतिहास रहा है हिंदुस्तान की महिलाओं का जो कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी नहीं भूल पाती. और स्लिप ऑफ टंग और स्लिप ऑफ कैरेक्टर में ये भी बोल सकते हैं.
Yes, you raised three
बेटी
questions.
बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ.
Yes, and Shehzad will
बेटी
answer
बचाओ,
each of
बेटी
them.
पटाओ.
Let me just
Slip
give
of
our
tongue can be anywhere.
Yes. Let me just give our viewers the context to what Vivek Salas is talking about. You heard the other statements that were made earlier. Now the latest comes from Haryana BJP MP Ramchandra Jangra. What has he said? He's speaking about 22nd April Pahalgam terror attack, and while addressing a gathering in Bhiwani at an event that was to mark the 300th birth anniversary of Ahilya Bai Holkar, and this context is important. This Rajya Sabha MP said that women who lost their husbands in the terror attack should have acted like Viranganas. Without me trying to paraphrase, let's for our viewers first play out what he said, and then Shehzad will offer a rebuttal.
वहां पर जो हमारी वीरांगनाएं बहन थी जिनकी मांग का सिंदूर छीन लिया गया, अगर उन्होंने अहिल्याबाई का इतिहास पढ़ा होता तो उनके सामने उनके पति को कोई निरपराध इस तरह से गोली नहीं मार सकता था, चाहे वो भी शहीद हो जाए. वीरांगना का भाव नहीं था, जोश नहीं था, जज्बा नहीं था, दिल नहीं था, इसलिए हाथ जोड़ के गोली का शिकार हो. तो आतंकवादी थे, उनको तो मारना था, वो तो मारने के लिए आए थे, हाथ जोड़ने से सबको छोड़ने वाले तो थे नहीं. बस यही संदर्भ था मेरा कि अगर ऐसी परिस्थितियां कभी आए भी तो हम मुकाबला करें उनका. बस ये मेरा संदर्भ. वो कोई मतलब निकाले, लेकिन मेरे लिए मैं आज की जो युवा पीढ़ी को मोटिवेशनल तरीके से अहिल्याबाई के जीवन के बारे में बता रहा था. हम अहिल्याबाई होलकर के जीवन के ऊपर बात कर रहे थे और उनसे मोटिवेशन लेने की बात कर रहे थे. और इसका और मैं अपने कल भी कह चुका हूं कि मैं किसी का दिल जिंदगी में दुखा ही नहीं सकता। मैंने खुद अपनी जिंदगी के सारे अनुभव हैं, मेरे बहुत लंबा, मेरा 50 साल का राजनीतिक अनुभव है। अगर हमारी किसी बहन के दिमाग में मेरे वक्तव्य से आया हो कि रामचंद्र जांगड़ा जी हमारे ऊपर जो ट्रस्ट है ये उसके प्रति संवेदनहीन है या संवेदनशील नहीं है, तो मैं अपने शब्दों को वापस लेने के लिए तैयार हूं, मैं माफी मांगने के लिए तैयार हूं।
Shehzad, he's still not offering an apology.
Let me first at the outset, without if but condition, say disgusting, atrocious, unacceptable, he must apologize like the other two gentlemen have, and there is no escaping this.
But can he just get away with
Not
an
at all.
apology, Shehzad?
Not at all. There are two aspects, Priya ji, if you just indulge me for 20 seconds. In any action, there is procedural and moral action. Procedural action, you can say, why not today, why not tomorrow, why today, tomorrow, all that can be said and done. But moral action, we do not condone, we condemn. Now, Ram Gopal Yadav ke statement on Vibhuka Singh, say that you condemn it.
Yeah.
Say you condemn it.
Did Ram Gopal Yadav ji say that that the Indian army is
देखा
a terrorist?
आपने
What did he
मेरा
say? He was-
unconditional
he was
और इनका
talking about-
condition.
He was addressing Colonel Sophia
अब बताइए
Qureshi.
बताइए जी बताइए
Find you, sir.
नहीं नहीं जी
चला?
बताइए बताइए आप एक्सप्लेनेशन
ये
दीजिए
सवाल
बीजेपी
नहीं है।
says condemnable
आप
समाजवादी डिफेंस
आपने क्या
कांग्रेस
विजय
is
शाह का
defending.
इस्तीफा लिया?
See the difference.
आपने विजय
See
शाह
the
का
difference.
इस्तीफा लिया?
यहाँ सॉरी भी नहीं बोल
आपने अपने
रहे
डिप्टी सीएम
आप
का
सॉरी तो
इस्तीफा
बोल दो
लिया?
आप सॉरी तो बोल
आपने
दो
अपने डिप्टी सीएम का
सॉरी भी नहीं
इस्तीफा
बोलेंगे
लिया?
प्रिया जी
वो
आप
सिर्फ-
डिबेट खत्म कर दो पर सॉरी
Sir, I agree. Mr. Salas, at least come to his level. My question to
चलिए
him
मेरे
was that
level पे
BJP
आइए।
hasn't
मेरा
acted
level
and I
उनके
would have
बराबर मत
followed
बात।
it with
आप सर मैं
Mr. Shehzad.
तो गरीब पसमानदा मुसलमान मैं
No,
तो पैरों पे हूँ
no, nobody can stoop
That
to
is
any
what we are
levels.
seeing on the television.
Nobody can stoop
because
to
my
any
family is
levels.
pasmanda is saying that I'm not at your level. See, this is the attitude.
It's not about
This is the
that.
attitude.
It's not about
ये
that.
पीडीए की
I
बात
don't know
करते
what
हैं।
your family
मैं
is.
पसमानदा
What
हूँ तो
about
मुझे
me?
लेवल
I don't know
लो
what
लेवल
your family is
बताएं।
actually. But I cannot.
Sir,
speak
let's
on
not
your
get
level.
personal. Sir, please.
I am very
you,
low
you,
level,
have,
no,
you
you
have
can
very
answer.
you have very strong arguments to make. Let's not get personal about this.
Any statement has been given by anyone in the Samajwadi Party, I condemn it.
If
Great.
ये if है
But
नहीं
the
नहीं
fact
if है
of
ये
the
अभी
matter
भी
is
एक
that he was
सेकंड
addressing the captain,
no one second Priya
Colonel Sophia
Just 10
Qureshi.
seconds.
What statement was given in Madhya
just one
Pradesh by
second.
Vijay Shah?
Yeah,
That was the thing.
but
Priya
he
ji, just
also
ten
That
said
was the
when.
thing.
Priya ji,
Please
just
play
10
the,
seconds.
please
He
play the
then-
entire
Priya
statement
ji,
of
just
Ram
10
Gopal
seconds.
ji.
Sir, we
10
have
seconds.
played it
Please
out
play it.
several times over the last week,
Ten
and we
seconds.
know what he said. Yes,
Still
Shehzad.
33
Priya ji,
days,
see, I'm not
and all the
interrupting.
4 terrorists are absconding.
Priya ji 10 seconds.
What does that have to do with
one
Bhumika
second,
Singh's
let's
task?
stick to
No,
the
no.
topic.
I don't-
We'll
I'm
come
not
to
talking
that
about- I'm
also.
talking
No, I am
Bharatiya
talking
Janata
about
Party.
that.
They
I am
are so
talking about that.
incompetent.
Priya, 10
They are
seconds.
so incompetent
Priya ji, just 10
that
seconds.
still all the 4
He's diverting the
terrorists
topic.
are absconding.
Sir, I
and
think
we
we are
are
shifting the
unable to catch
goalpost
them.
here.
Just 10
Shehzad, 10
and
seconds, and I
without
must
any
bring in
interruption.
our guest
10
in.
seconds.
She's been
Yeah.
waiting
I
very
understand.
patiently. Yes.
10 seconds. He's saying if Lal Bihari Yadav, it has been done politically, Pahalgam. Condemn it.
क्या?
क्या क्या लाल बिहारी यादव इज योर नेता प्रतिपक्ष इन यूपी विधान परिषद
Yes.
सेट पॉलिटिकल ढंग
I
से
condemn
कराया
it.
गया पहलगाम
I condemn
तो
it.
कब निकाल दो
क्या?
उसको
जब विजय शाह को तुम निकाल दोगे
तो आप निकालोगे
अपने
ना,
डिप्टी
this
आप
सीएम को
निकालोगे
निकाल दोगे?
पक्का
No.
पक्का निकालोगे
देंगे।
चलिए बढ़िया
हाँ।
वेरी
पहले
गुड
अपनी डिप्टी
अब
सीएम
देख रहा
और
कल
मंत्री को
स्टेटमेंट
बाहर
चला देना कि
करिए
they are
और उस
condemned
राज्यसभा
and
के
they are
सांसद को
No, but
बाहर
Shehzad, in
करिए,
this case,
जिन्होंने महिलाओं पे इस
Kettle
तरह
and
की
pot are
टिप्पणी
both
की है।
black.
Huh?
Kettle and pot are both black.
One pot is saying I'm sorry unconditionally. One pot is saying no. If I
There
have
is
said
no-
it,
there is
this
no-
way I have said it,
I
that
said
way I have
condemn
said
it.
it. ये
आपने
शर्म है
बात
इनको
कब
Ramcharan Jangra, despite
Arey,
the
I
times
am
now
the national
learning from
spokesman.
topmost
National
sources that BJP
Achha.
president has
For
pulled him
your
up.
viewers, once again
If
I'm
JP Nadda is pulling somebody up and he's
ma'am.
still saying that
I'll say
if,
it again.
but, may, likely.
One second. Party's line is articulated by the national spokesperson.
Yes.
You give me that. Party line, we do not subscribe to this. You say party line, we don't subscribe to Ram Gopal Yadav.
I said
देखा
this man
देखा
किसकी
कंडीशन
बात
शुरू
हुई थी?
कंडीशन
किसकी बात आपने की थी विधान परिषद
कंडीशन शुरू कंडीशन
I condemn
राम
it.
गोपाल यादव को बोलो
हाँ,
नॉट पार्टी लाइन
हाँ।
बोलो एक बार
मैं उसी-
नौकरी चली जाएगी आप
कुछ नहीं नौकरी चली
नहीं
जाएगी
जाएगी
कैसी
क्या
नौकरी
नहीं
चली
जाएगी
जाएगी नौकरी
बोलो
आप
एक बार
करते हो,
राम
मैं नहीं
गोपाल
करता
यादव इज
हूँ
नॉट द
यार।
पार्टी लाइन
नौकरी आप
एक
करते हो।
बार बोलो
पहले
Okay.
कांग्रेस में करते थे भारतीय जनता
अरे
पार्टी
मैं
में आ
देश
गए।
की नौकरी करता
हाँ।
हूँ मैं देश की
इतनी
करता
देश भक्त हो,
हूँ
मुझे
आपकी
पता
तरफ
है।
परिवार
No,
की
no,
नहीं
no, no,
करता
no, no,
आप
nobody,
मोदी जी और
no, please,
पूरे
please,
मैं
please.
परिवार की
I think both of you should take some time to cool down. Shelly Oberoi, what do you make of these two behaviors? Let me bring back my debate to the Congress party. Do you subscribe to the Tharoor model? Do you subscribe to the Rahul Gandhi model? One is when you question the government, baseless questions, mind you, valid questions, the opposition's right and duty is to ask those questions. But when you ask questions and make statements like JJ and call external affairs minister an informer, Aam Aadmi Party, where does it find itself?
See, I think what happened in Pahalgam was unfortunate. But what is happening now, what BJP and Congress is doing, that is more unfortunate because both the parties, they have politicized the entire issue and they are playing very petty politics. I can see on the debate that how the all the spokesperson, they are playing like a comic character, and I think बीजेपी एंड कांग्रेस बोथ आर लाइक एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं. Both are doing the devilment and impishness acts, and deliberately they are trying to behave in a trickery way. We have been talking about slipping of tongue, slipping of character. No, actually, in reality, there is slipping of the real issue. Both are trying to resolve the purpose of Pakistan. Both are trying to divert the issue because the nation is questioning Bharatiya Janata Party about the ceasefire. They are questioning about the statement made by the foreign minister. They are questioning about the statement made by Vijay Shah on a lady officer, the shameful statement made by him, and also what the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Deputy CM of MP, is asking. In fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to reap the benefits of that Operation Sindoor. On the one hand, on the other hand, sometimes the loose statement is given by the Rahul Gandhi. The Alka Lamba is.
Shelly Oberoi, how is BJP trying to reap political benefit from Operation Sindoor?
See, the statement made by the Deputy CM of MP that the entire nation and the Indian army should bow in front of the Prime Minister. Why? Rather than appreciating the Indian army, rather than showing the sympathy towards the victim, both parties are playing a very comic character in this serious issue. On the other hand, the BJP is trying to reap the benefit from the Operation Sindoor. And on the other hand, the controversial and the insensitive and the loose statement made by the Manish Shankar Iyer, Rahul Gandhi, Alka Lamba, and lately calling it a slip of tongue. I think this is really shameful. They should show some sympathy towards victim rather than playing politics. And out of this, the entire nation is watching how they are both the parties are trying to resolve the purpose of Pakistan.
And when Aam Aadmi Party wants evidence? Shehzad just quoted that statement.
How Indian army retaliated the Pakistan and the terrorist does. We really appreciate the Indian army. We really bow down in front of the Indian
Hold
army.
on to that thought, Shehzad.
शैली जी, अलका लांबा ने 2 दिन पहले जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की थी, अब आपको बीच में नहीं, आपको सुनना भी पड़ेगा शैली जी. आई हैव ग्रेट रिगार्ड फॉर यू, यू आर अ वंडरफुल स्पोक्स पर्सन ऑल्सो, बट लिसन ऑल्सो. अलका लांबा, ये आपकी आतिशी मारलेना जी ने, जिनके परिवार का इतिहास अफजल गुरु के साथ क्या है वो तो उसमें नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ, उन्होंने बोला कि पाकिस्तान ने, नहीं सुन लीजिए शैली जी, आपको सुनना भी पड़ेगा शैली जी, सुनना पड़ेगा. ये आम आदमी पार्टी की डिस्ट्रिक्ट मीटिंग नहीं है, सुनना पड़ेगा. हाँ, सुन लीजिए. आतिशी मारलेना हैज सेड दैट पाकिस्तान ने हाथ जोड़े, पाकिस्तान ने तो नहीं स्वीकारा. अरे भाई, पाकिस्तान 65 की धारा वो भी नहीं स्वीकारता, 71 का भी नहीं हम स्वीकारता. अच्छा, सेकेंडली, 2 sides ऑफ द सेम कॉइन. यस, यू एंड कांग्रेस, ये केजरीवाल जी 2016 में प्रूफ किधर है? ही वॉज इन द फ्रंट पेज मीडिया ऑफ द पाकिस्तानी मीडिया. बाटला हाउस एनकाउंटर डिमांडेड प्रोब इन 2008. पुलवामा ऑल्सो, आफ्टर दैट बालाकोट, यू हैव डिमांडेड द प्रूफ. शैली जी, स्टॉप इंटरप्टिंग. आई एम सिटिंग इन द स्टूडियो, आई कैन ऑल्सो इंटरप्ट यू. आई एम नॉट इंटरप्टिंग यू. प्लीज हैव पेशेंस टू लिसन. दिस इज नॉट योर पार्टी मीटिंग. एंड फाइनली, लेट मी टेल यू, नाउ टुडे दे आर सीइंग द डेविल इन द कांग्रेस. 2024 लोकसभा दे फॉट. बिफोर दैट सड़क का गुंडा वाज सेड बाय कांग्रेस. बिफोर दैट सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक प्रूफ वाज डिमांडेड. दैट टाइम वेयर वर दीस पीपल? आंख बंद करके बैठे थे क्या?
So Deepak Reddy, tell me this. When statements like these are made, whether it is people who follow Rahul model or people who follow Tharoor model, do you think it is actually a slip, or is it the main path that they deliberately want to take?
Priya ji, good evening. I think before we take these statements at face value, we need to get a little deeper and dig into the mindset of of the Congress and the India ecosystem. I would like to start off by asking, why is Rahul Gandhi and members of the India ecosystem so popular in Pakistan now, and their videos are really trending? Why do the Pakistanis really love their statements? Is a question I would like to start off with. And the second thing is, for all the comments which the Congress also was embarrassed. They said that the comments of certain leaders are their personal comments, but they have all the right to take action. When they say that it's not as per the party line, they could have taken action. If they would have taken action on those leaders, that means they were serious. So here, they are trying to cheat the people of India by saying that they are their personal comments, but they are behind those comments is what I would like to point out. And now coming to Alka Lamba's statements, I don't think we need to take it very seriously because she's in line with the wavelength of her party leader, Rahul Gandhi. I mean, it's more or less like that. It's as per the repetition of Rahul Gandhi. And she was asking for a parliament session. And I'm really glad that we don't have a parliament session. The kind of comments what these people would have made, they would have not only made a fool of themselves, but they would have embarrassed the rest of the nation with their comments. And another point I would like to make is, she's asking for an apology from BJP leaders and the Prime Minister. Why should they apologize? For taking action on Pakistan and for not writing love letters like how they wrote in the past. They should apologize for that. And I would just like to raise two issues. Just give me a little time, because by this the people of India will understand the deviant nature of Congress party. Let's look at the Indus River Water Treaty. They have given 81% share of the water to Pakistan. Why did they do that? And what is shocking is they paid for the irrigation network also. And I've read the conditions of the agreement. They didn't want the inflationary index also to pain the Pakistanis, and they fixed it with a gold standard. And I did a math. If that money was pumped into India rather than giving it to Pakistan as a gift, the value of that would be around 16 lakh crores. So let the people of India draw their conclusion. And another point I would like to make as far as the defense equipment is concerned, there was a company which I knew from Andhra Pradesh, which was supplying tank assembly, clutch assembly to the defense for 2.75 lakhs. And the Congress people did not buy it back then, and they were buying it from Russia at 28.5 lakhs. Imagine the kind of fraud they were doing, where we had the capacity in India, but they did not support our Indian industry, and which could have actually supported our defense also. So they made our defense industry totally reliant on international players, and we could not even fight a war beyond a certain period.
Yes, Nikhil.
So they are hiding all these things. It is sad, and the people of India should realize this.
I don't know.
These are my opening comments.
Can I have my chance now?
One last comment, Priyaji. One last comment.
Yes, please.
We know Shashi Tharoor is very good at defending the stand of India. Why is Congress unhappy with that? They should be happy because he can do a good job. So look at the mentality. Look at the mentality. We need to look deep in, and we will understand the treachery of the Congress party.
Perhaps because at one point in time he did want to become Congress party president. Nikhil Jain.
Can I now please respond?
Yes, please go on.
Yes. First of all, Priya, I don't understand where is this. First of all, I don't understand where the previous panelist is getting all these numbers from. 16 lakh crores, as if he's talking about some pocket change. I'm strongly disputing all these numbers. If he really believes all of that to be the truth, let him have it put it out publicly, and then it can be verified and scrutinized. So I'm not going to respond on those numbers.
Actually, Nikhil, let me put out publicly what I can verify. Now, these are the statements that are made by Rahul Gandhi, which are being countered. And I'm talking about present. I'm not even going into the history of these matters. Rahul Gandhi says Prime Minister is busy giving hollow speeches. Shashi Tharoor says India has hit Pakistan hard and smart. We are fighting unitedly for India. Rahul Gandhi says India's foreign policy has collapsed. Salman Khurshid says India is today in a different league. Rahul Gandhi says who is asking Trump to mediate? His own party leader Manish Tiwari says India has never agreed to any mediation. Now tell me which of these is not factually incorrect.
Or to actually also answer them. Priya, can I please answer it? First of all, I was referring to the statements of the previous panelist, and you.
Yes, I know, sir, that you were referring to Mr. Reddy's panelist. I thought you had made your point.
Rahul Gandhi,
you said if he gets that data in public, and then you will counter it, which is why I started with public data.
Priya, before I can, Priya, I don't think it is a speech that you have to give. I think you have to also let the panelists also speak. No, sir, I'm not giving a speech.
I thought you were done, which is why I took my next question.
When Rahul Gandhi. So I wasn't. I was clearly asking you to let me speak, but yet you think, you thought that I was done.
Now.
Nonetheless, let me respond to what the point that you raised. Yes, what Rahul Gandhi is raising is the issue of foreign policy that is holding the government to account. What Dr. Tharoor is doing today, he is representing India in an all-party delegation. What you speak as a member of an all-party delegation vis-a-vis what you speak as a leader of opposition domestically, questioning your government, obviously are two different lines, and they are both lines that respect, the timing and the sensitivity of the things. Right? You can't compare it like that, that Dr. Tharoor is now, standing with India or with the Indian government. Obviously, Dr. Tharoor is going to take the stand of the Indian government forward. That is his job. That is what he's doing.
Was
and let's
Congress
not
party
forget,
scared
Dr.
that he's
Tharoor
going
is the
to
same
do
person
this,
who
which is
Sonia
why
Gandhi
they
and
did
the
not
Congress
propose
party
his
got
name?
into the Indian
Or
political
Salman
fold.
Khurshid's name?
He's the same person who was made a Minister of State for External Affairs, and he's also the and he's also the same person. Let me also remind your viewers, he's also the same person जिसके लिए मोदी जी ने कहा था इनकी 50 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड है. And Shehzad, I'm sure you would have said that on television yourself before 2017 or 21, whenever you jumped ship. So Modi ji थरूर साहब के लिए 50 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड जैसी चीजें बात करते हैं. 91 और 94 के एग्रीमेंट पे मैं एक बार लास्ट पॉइंट ऑन द 91
के लिए
एग्रीमेंट
कांग्रेस ने बोला था
एग्रीमेंट ऑन द 91
कांग्रेस का होना और कांग्रेस में होना बहुत अलग अलग बात होती है. वन बाय वन. शहजाद,
इनका स्पीच खत्म हो गया.
No,
can I respond?
Nikhil, we'll take your rebuttals one by one. You've made one point. Let him counter. We'll come back to you. Yes, Shehzad.
I'm not.
Nikhil ji, you're a panelist, not a drone.
And he's made 100 points.
It's bad for me to shoot you down. So please have some patience. You're not a Turkish drone as of now. Now let me make just one point on Tharoor ji. Tharoor ji is keeping the government of India stand. Tharoor ji has said Trump did not mediate. Say he's right. बोलो बेटा. थरूर जी ने बोला कि ट्रंप ने मीडिएट नहीं किया. Say he's right. हाँ, अब नहीं सुनाई देगा, अब नहीं आएगा, आवाज नहीं आएगा.
Nikhil, can you hear me?
What do you expect?
I'll repeat that for you.
Hold on.
I'll repeat that for you, Nikhil. Can you hear me?
नहीं, आवाज
Shehzad.
No, let's be serious. Let's be serious.
नहीं
about it.
आएगी आवाज.
I
What?
heard it.
You are
I
serious
heard
with
it
these
when you
people? They are
repeated.
Pakistan की तरह delulu में.
Shehzad,
They are in delusion like Pakistan.
Are you a
He's having
school
a serious
child?
thing.
Are you a school child? Are you a school child?
Nikhil, let me repeat
What
that
is this
question
nonsense?
for you.
Now
Let
he
me
can
repeat
hear.
that
I'm trying
question
to
for
get
you.
some
We
sense
were
of
just
the
doing
audio that
testing
is
of your
coming. I've tried
audio.
3 different numbers.
Stop
and
using
yet you
Chinese
haven't responded.
headphones.
This is exactly what you're trying to do on the debate.
Can you answer my question?
Somebody had a
No,
slip of tongue and
Nikhil,
you're
the
trying to
question.
call it a slip of
Let's
character.
not
And by the
waste
way,
our
what sort of
viewers'
a sexist
time.
remark-
Let me repeat
what
the
sort of a
question.
sexist remark is it to call
Nikhil,
a
let me
woman's
repeat the
words
question for
as
you. Do you
slip
believe
of
in what
character?
Mr. Tharoor is saying today? As
Trump.
a supporter
On
of the
Trump's
Congress
mediation.
party, do you believe when Shashi
Dr.
Tharoor
Tharoor is
says
obligated to say that.
Obligated?
Priya,
Obligated by what?
I
By his
am-
national interest.
Dr. Tharoor
Obligated
is
by his
obligated-
patriotism. Obligated by his loyalty to nation. Obligated by his sense of duty. Obligated by his love for Bharat. Yes, he is obligated.
Jaise
What are you
yaar
obligated to?
he
A
was
contract to the
obligated
Chinese?
to karna hai.
Are you obligated to Pakistan love? Are you obligated to calling
bhai,
Pakistan
itna
your
kyun
vote
chilla
bank ka bhaijan? What are you obligated to? You gave away 828 square kilometers. You wanted to give away our nuclear technology. You
Okay.
wanted to give the military advanced knowledge to Pakistan.
All parties
What are you
are
obligated to?
Okay,
The Gandhi
wait,
Parivar.
Wait, there is a point being made that attendees
mad?
from the opposition
Shehzad, are you
ranks
mad?
in these
What do you expect
delegations
all
are
party
obligated. Rajiv Rai from Samajwadi Party is a part of these delegations. Mr. Salas, has he been obligated to do something? Did he sign papers before going abroad?
No, it was all party, the delegation that was going. And I think it was a good move by the central government or the
So when
government
the Congress
power.
party says that all the members who have gone as part of these delegations, they are obligated to say certain things, do you think that Rajiv Rai is also going to do that?
No, obviously when you go out of the country, definitely you will take, you'll take the stand of your country. Definitely anyone, even I thought if Shehzad would have
When
gone, he would have
Rahul
done the
Gandhi
same
goes
thing.
out of country to Howard, he doesn't take the stand of the country,
तो
sir.
2014 में जब मोदी जी ने कहा कि देश में पैदा होना धिक्कार की बात थी, कहां किस देश में पैदा हो गया, छी थू है ऐसी देश पे लानत है ऐसी देश में, चाइना में बोला, साउथ कोरिया में बोला,
स्टेटमेंट प्ले कर दो. आप स्टेटमेंट प्ले कर
प्ले
दो.
कर क्या दो? आपको नहीं पता है
नहीं
क्या?
बोला है, इसलिए प्ले कर दो.
पहले तो आप खुद
प्रूफ
play
दे
कर करके
दो.
दिखाते
आप
थे।
प्ले करो ना, मेरा समय लेके प्ले करो ना. प्ले कर दो.
आप YouTube पे
कर दो.
करिए,
अरे
पूरी-
YouTube क्या, आप
पूरी
प्ले
जनता
करो ना, आप
देख रही
लेकर
है,
नहीं
वही
आए
कर
क्या?
रही है। और एक
कुछ
बार
भी बोल
उन्होंने
के
नहीं
निकलना
कहा,
है.
इसको उन्होंने साउथ कोरिया में
Anyway.
कहा, इसको उन्होंने
अरे
बीजिंग में
प्ले
कहा
कर दो ना,
कि देश
काहे
में
ये उनको क्यों
2014
समझा रहे हो? प्ले कर दो.
पहले पैदा होना पाप माना जाता
आप
था।
प्ले कर दो भाई.
तो क्या 2000 से
प्ले
पहले
कर दो.
2014 से
That is not
पहले
the-
हिंदुस्तान
again,
में हम और आप
Priya
दोनों
ji,
पैदा
let
हुए
me
तो क्या वो
reiterate.
पाप था?
Now once again,
ये
let me
बोला,
reiterate. One second.
Yes, Shehzad.
Let's not get diverted.
Yes, yes,
Let's
Shehzad
reiterate.
is-
भारतीयों का अपमान नहीं था क्या?
Please, Silas ji, please. The question,
चाइना की clean sheet की-
Silas ji, now you're
ना
interrupting
कोई
me.
आया है,
Silas ji, now
ना
you're
कोई
interrupting.
गया है। ये किसने कहा
No,
था?
Priya, let's.
कह दीजिए, ये भी नहीं कहा था मोदी
Now,
जी।
Priya ji, may I make my
Yes,
point?
please.
चाइना को clean sheet आप दे
Please, please.
Make your point.
Mr. Nikhil Jain, with utmost respect, now that Mr. Samajwadi Party spokesperson, my dear friend, has said nobody is obligated, can you please tell me you agree with Tharoor's statement on Trump?
I agree with the fact that Dr. Tharoor has to make that statement. He has to propound the line of the Indian government.
He doesn't
but
have
I don't
to, sir.
agree with the statement.
In case
He
you
has to,
haven't
because
heard, in case you haven't
Why he has to?
have you
Being the
heard
leader
him
of the herd
speaking?
in US.
Have you heard him speaking about
Delegation,
Trump?
herd,
He's
whatever
calling it a
is.
herd.
Shehzad.
Sir,
calling it a herd.
sir, you cannot, sir,
Leader of the-
tourism,
Rajiv Rai,
tours and
Rajiv Rai is an
travel.
animal.
That has gone to the US.
This
He
is
has
the
to take the
approach.
side of the Indians.
Why
not?
This is why people don't believe that when Alka Lamba thinks that Operation Sindoor and
नहीं,
Operation
राजीव
Blue
राय
Star are the
बकरी
same
है
thing.
राजीव राय
That
बकरी है कि हर्ड बोल रहा
it is
है
a slip of tongue.
नहीं
That is the problem. That
you
is the problem.
apologize
I
apologize
said
for saying
sorry.
herd
No, he's apologized. Let's not drag a point.
Slip of tongue जैसा आपने
ये
कहा.
स्लिप ऑफ टंग ही होता रहेगा इनका
बेटी
ये
बचाओ,
terrorist को
बेटी
भी-
पटाओ
अब
नहीं
देखो,
कहते ना.
राहुल गांधी ने क्या बोला कि
या
this is-
सहारनपुर की
मैं अब राहुल
लड़कियां
गांधी पे
नहीं
आ गया।
कहते.
राहुल गांधी पे आ
No,
गया।
no, no, but
सहारनपुर की
let's-
सुन लीजिए
लड़कियां बहुत
राहुल
मशहूर
गांधी
हैं.
ने बोला टेरर नहीं त्रासदी था ट्रेजेडी था ये ट्रेजेडी था ये ट्रेजेडी था आपसे नहीं पूछ रहा हूं निखिल से पूछ रहा हूं निखिल जी ये ट्रेजेडी था
उस दिन बात करना जब चारों लोग पकड़े जाएंगे और उनको मौत के
सर,
घाट उतार दिया जाएगा.
सर, military
एस
operations-
जयशंकर ने हॉलैंड में क्या कहा जब उससे
मतलब
पूछा
इज
गया?
डाउटिंग द सेना
Sir,
नाउ
उन्होंने कहा
सेना इज लुकिंग फॉर
we have recognized them.
सेना इज
We
लुकिंग
have
फॉर
recognized them.
So military operations and politics should be kept
नहीं,
separate.
You just
Don't you think so?
अरे वो चार लोग को हम थोड़ी पकड़ रहे, सेना को पकड़- सेना
आराम
पकड़
से
रही।
यहाँ पर हमारे लोगों को मार के कत्लेआम करके टहलते हुए निकल गए और हम सवाल भी ना पूछे.
So nobody is stopping opposition from asking questions. What is being questioned is asking baseless questions.
This is baseless.
That
This question is a baseless question.
no, I'm
What
not
you mean
saying.
to say
I'm
that?
not saying this is a baseless question.
All the
This is a
four
question.
terrorists are still absconding.
No, nobody is
33
saying this is
days
a
have
baseless
passed.
question.
And you say
Topic,
it's a
Priya.
baseless question.
Priya is changing the topic.
I am telling you what is a baseless question. Baseless question is saying that
that
external affairs minister of this country is acting like a park informer. That is a baseless question. That is what I unequivocally will say was a baseless question. For that matter, when Rahul Gandhi asks how many aircraft has India lost, how is that question relevant to the military strategy, to our war against terror, in providing justice to the victims of April 22?
Same question was asked to the Air Force chief. He said कि profits and losses are
A part
everywhere
of,
in
a part
the
of,
war.
yes.
But all our pilots are safe.
Yes.
He did not say what we lost.
So
or what
you're
we
agreeing,
gained.
you're
He
agreeing
just
that
said
Rahul
कि
Gandhi
our
knows the
pilots are
facts.
safe. That is all.
So you agree Rahul Gandhi knows the facts but will not acknowledge them because it doesn't suit his political strategy.
Yes.
And other leaders from the INDIA bloc.
Yeah, I have heard something more disturbing. What is more important, a plane or a pilot?
A pilot
No.
definitely.
So then when the Air Force has said it, what are you asking?
We are not.
मतलब इनके लिए
Exactly.
आजाद प्लेन है पायलट नहीं
Air Force of the
है भारत
Indian
की
Army.
वायुसेना का देखो कैसे अपमान करते हैं
अपमान
ये भारत की
जो मैंने
वायुसेना
तो
का
quote किया
अपमान
जो
है
उन्होंने कहा.
Exactly.
All
That's
our
the
pilots
point.
are safe.
Then
That's
what
the-
other answer you want?
That's
But
the point
losses
I'm
are there
trying
in
to
every
make.
war. That is what he
That
said.
as a responsible
नुकसान हर
opposition,
जंग में होता है.
as
यही कहा ना उन्होंने.
a responsible
और यही मैंने
opposition,
आपको बताया.
Are you sure? Is that what is said? Now let me bust the biggest lie. Please listen. All strikes were executed without loss of Indian assets.
Yes.
This is the statement.
What?
This is our statement, official statement.
Whose statement? Bharatiya Janata
Now,
Party's
see,
statement.
they are not bothered
This is
about
Bharatiya
pilot
Janata Party's
and they are
statement.
saying the line of Pakistan.
जो
Pakistan is in delusion कि बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाया और उसका काम यहाँ पे DGISPR,
Our
Mr. Vivek
army
Sailas,
was
DGISPR, Mr. Nikhil Jain,
immaculate.
DGISPR,
Our army
Mr. Heli
was
Oberoi,
immaculate.
3 DGISPR.
But we
Get
cannot
out
insult our army
DGISPR
like you.
Sitting in the bottom.
We cannot
the bottom
insult our army
DGISPR
like you.
कर दो. This is DGISPR, Pakistan के PR agent.
no.
मोदी जी को कपड़े भी पहना दिए आपने फाइटर प्लेन के. बिहार और पटना में लगे हुए हैं. लगे वोट की भीख मांगने.
अच्छा 1971 इंदिरा ने किया था.
Wait. No, but let me ask Shehzad, let's
वोट मांग रहे
not,
थे.
sir, let's not raise our
अपनी
volume.
बातों पर
Both of you are,
भैया वोट दे दो भीख दे दो.
gentlemen, you are both in
हम
the
समझ
studio.
लो.
There is no way I can mediate this if you don't let me speak.
Be silent.
The question being asked by opposition Shehzad is that if BJP is not politicizing this, then why are we seeing Tiranga Yatras?
Tiranga is BJP's national symbol or what?
But there are BJP
Tiranga
leaders
किसका
who
है?
are going
Now he has to
बावन
either
साल
answer or
let
yes.
him answer. Mr.
बावन
Silas,
साल तक तिरंगा
Mr. Silas, let him answer.
No, see, I'm not
Mr. Silas, is
shouting so
my
many
question
times.
is valid? It is a question you want asked and answered. Let him answer. Yes.
Without any interruption.
Please, Shehzad.
But
go
if he
on.
keeps
Go
changing the
on.
goalposts, I'll answer those also.
Go on,
Anyway,
please.
Tiranga Yatra. If you would have said BJP का flag निकाल के यात्रा निकाले ना, you should have then given me the biggest saza for it. See the BJP, it has said that we should all hold Tiranga Yatra. Tiranga तो देश का है जी. ये लोग क्यों नहीं उठा रहे तिरंगा?
And Nikhil Jain, for that matter, even
ये तो
Congress
उनको
is, is also organizing Jai Hind Yatras. Would you say that Tiranga Yatra is political?
नहीं, ये तो चांद वाले वो झंडे का यात्रा निकालेंगे पाकिस्तान के झंडे का।
First of all, no. First, Priya, oh yeah, what is this nonsense?
No,
Priya, the
Nikhil, make your
questions
point,
were
please.
on Modi dressed in a military uniform appearing on railway tickets.
Oh God.
Priya, the question is, why is the Prime Minister dressed in a military uniform and appearing on railway tickets? Why is the why are the people from BJP putting up hoardings of the Prime Minister dressed in a military uniform? Why is the Deputy Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh saying कि सेना मोदी जी के कदमों में नतमस्तक है? Why are statements like these being made by BJP people which are going unpunished by the BJP? And again, for the last time, I'll try to answer on the 91 agreement. The 91 agreement.
Although people are watching that how they are changing the goalposts, not answering.
No, let's quickly answer this.
But I'll answer this. No, please tell him to not interrupt. I say that whatever
not
statement.
shifting the
1
goalposts.
second, please, Mr. Nikhil Jain, stop your incoming drones. I say that statement which Nikhil Jain has quoted of the BJP leader completely wrong. Now say Khargeji's statement of Chutput war is wrong. Say it.
What action have you taken against that leader?
इतना
Did you take any
I
action?
think we are pretty much
You are
descending
talking
into a
about the
loop
91
right now, which is
you are talking about the
which is
99
which is the
you are
whole
talking about the
point
90
that when relevant questions are asked, then you will get
Yeah,
relevant
we've been talking
answers.
about the
But when
91
you
agreement,
start
why
by
it is-
saying Operation Blue
why-
Star is what you want a joint session on, and you want a briefing on Operation Blue Star, I'm really sorry, but it is 40 years too late for that. But it's never too late to course correct. Thank you, gentlemen, and Shelly Oberoi for joining me on this debate. Time for us to take a very quick break.